ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost over, but it's only on the rise. Mental message by visual contact, louder than any other sexual soundtrack.
More margarita for my cute senorita. Triple the tequila just to heighten up the flavor. Chugging down on my J&B while checking out the parts of my date's anatomy. Forget the brain, forget the personality. What I'm after is your effect on my gravity like Trinity. Flying high with the kicks and controlling the game with my heavy-duty joystick.
Better get ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost over, but it's only on the rise. Mental message by visual contact, louder than any other sexual soundtrack.
Flip the tip as we skip to the next trip. Flashing some cash and some rockstar bullshit. Going in for the thrill, moving in for the kill. I got us a room in a fancy hotel and we got everything we need. A big bag of money, a bigger bag of weed. And you try to impress as you start to undress. Stop the press, we need to get this.
You better get ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost over, but it's only on the rise. Mental message by visual contact, louder than any other sexual soundtrack.
Let's get on down. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out. Sing it out, people. Let's get on down. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out. Sa pagkakaupo mo, nakarinig ka ng tugtugan.
Lakas na yung mga folk songs, yung kayo na Freddie Aguilar, yung mga ganun. Sobrang saya. Sabi mo sa...
Gusto ko mga makalumang kanta, gaya ng Apo, Batang-bata ko pa.
Ano bang band? Hail.
Yung mga ano, alam mo yung mga bago? Yung mga bagong rock song. Sige.
Sino-sino mga artist?
Ano pangalan ng paborito natin? Bago? Ako yung bago. Sure? Yung bago na yung Sure. Sige. Yung mga sponge cola. Sobrang...
Actually, pareho ko silang gusto eh. Pero kasi yung rock naman, talagang matagal na yan eh. Sila Juan de la Cruz, sila Mike Hanapol, sila Pepe Smith. So sila talagang yung nagpauso eh. Sila talagang yung mga pioneers of rock. So maganda yun. Okay.
Sir Jeno, ikinig mo na rock music.
Yung rock na siguro yung Muslim na rock na pinakinggan ko is katulad ng Evanescence, mga ganun lang. But I don't listen sa mga heavy metal na talaga.
Ay mga OPM rock nilinig ka.
Yeah, okay sa OPM.
Tingin mo ba yung rock yung mga popular na genre ng music?
Ngayon,
sa mga nasan sa mga Pilipinas?
well, based on my observation, here, dito sa Philippines, yes, nauso yung rock music. Well, people are listening ngayon, both international artists tsaka local. Sa nakikita ko kasi parang, lalo na yung sa generation natin, parang nakikita nila yung rock music as an expression. Siguro yung either being radical or rebellious. Ayun. So, and then yung rock music kasi parang siguro dun lang na ipapakita ng generation natin yun yung nararamdaman nila. Kasi parang ngayon kasi sa generation natin medyo nagiging radical yung kasama natin sa generation mga youth ganyan. And yung rock music, syempre ano yun eh, parang yung tingin ng tao doon radical eh. Alam mo yung mga kanta. So, yun yan, number one, it's a form of expression. Siguro number two, yung identity ng isang individual na nakikinig sa rock music. Parang pag rock music, astig ako. Parang ganun. So, nagiging identity na rin niya yun, yung rock music. Kaya nahihiligan na niya. Kasi siya na yun eh. And then number three, siguro, yung pagsasabi ng statement na, yun nga sabi ko diba, expression. Kasi yung statement na parang, ito yung paniniwala ko sa mundo. Kasi rock music may message din yun eh. Parang ito yung prinsipyo ko, ito yung paniniwala. Kaya mas...
Thank you, Rock on. Rock on. Gano'n ka.